Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Khizr Bakhtiar, your admin, and today I'll be talking about the Discord group, that how to use and how to adjust yourself with the Discord group. As many members were asking about that, we are very uncomfortable with the Discord group and we can't use it comfortably. We are feeling difficulty while using, and it's very complicated for us. So this video is for you. This is a tutorial video. In this video you will get tutorial about the Discord group, and the content of this tutorial will be how to use Discord group. That we have a Discord group, and I'll tell you in this video that how to use and adjust yourself with our Discord group. Second thing, why to use Discord group. Why do we prefer and ask member to use and adjust themselves in the Discord group instead of Instagram or Telegram? I'll tell you the reasons also. What will be the members role, and what should be the members response will be also talked in this video. And what are the advantages of Discord group over other groups like Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other Telegram group. Fine, so it will be discussed in this video. Let's get straight into our Discord group. The Brilliant Agents of Crypto, it's the name of our Discord group. First of all, when you enter to the Discord group, Discord group is very easy using. Discord application is very convenient and easy using while PC, but if you use it on your mobile, it's fine. So when you enter into the Discord group, you'll see different channels here. First of all, there's a voice channel named as live call session. Fine, this is the live call session channel where sometime I inform members and announced timing, like or the live call session will be held on this time, for example 18 UTC or 17 UTC. So the members are obliged, and they should attend the call on on that proper timing. For example, sometime I announced that members should attend the call on 18 UTC. So in their country they should search that what's 18 UTC timing uh, in their country, because in our Discord group there are members from Lebanon, there are members from Nigeria, from Australia, from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from India, and there's lots of difference between the timing. So as there's a lots of difference among the timing of different countries, so it is recommended that we give you timing in the UTC and you search the timing on Google. Fine. So whenever there's a live call session, you have to find out that particular timing in your country and attend the call. It is a must for all members to attend the live call session, as we update members from the market, and we give a coins update, and we talk about strategies and tips and tricks and all. Fine. Second, there's a category of management, and in this category we have categorized many channels. uh, them, the first one is welcome. Whenever any member jump into our group, the Discord automatically welcomes him or her. So here you'll find all those newly joined members. And in the announcement section, I'll be like announcing every important announcement here. Every important announcement will be given here. So whenever you're searching for an important announcement, you have to come to this channel. Fine. And in this section, only admins can text, no one else can text, so you can easily find the announcement. Fine. Then the guidelines. In the guidelines, I'll be like giving you some guidelines about the Discord group soon, very soon. This group is was made recently, and we'll be giving you the guidelines about the Discord group in this section. Fine. Rules. In the rules section, you have to read out all of these rules and follow them. Fine. Then it comes up to the exchange channel, and in this channel you'll find many exchanges which are, these are all centralized exchanges, centralized exchange, CEX. So you have to make account on all of these links, and then like you can use all of these exchanges. So you have to make, if you like, sometime we give some coins which are not available on Binance, so you have to go buy them from FTX exchange or KuCoin exchange or Balexy exchange. For that you must have already signed up account, as the coins pump very in few minutes or so, within hours. So this is recommended for all of the members to make account on all of these exchanges. Fine. And then they can transfer the USDT for specific coins. Then suggestions, it is a suggestion box where you, all members are welcome to give a suggestion about the group, about the improvement of group, which are the drawbacks or group, which things we lack in our group that should be improved. Fine. And then the management section is over. After that, it comes the signal section. In the signal section you'll find DeFi gems. We will give you altcoin. It's not only DeFi gems, it's altcoins gems. So here we will be giving you altcoins, NFTs and DeFis, and that can be bought from any other DEX, also from as centralized exchanges other than Binance, if the coin is not launched on the Binance. So here we will be giving you all those DeFi coins or NFT coins which are not so popular or not so pumped, and so-called gem, still is a gem and worthy to invest in. Then here's a spot signal section. First let me show you, it's all the DeFi gem coins, so you can find the DeFi gems here. In the spot signal section we've given lots of signals, so you can go and check it here, the anchor signal, the CHZ and the TRX and the Matic and all. So it, you can find easily spot signals here. All those members which are interested to trade in spot, they should go into the spot signal section and find their find spot signals that are still valid and still in buying zone. They can buy it, and they can wait till TPs, hold the coin till TPs. In the future signal section you will only find future signals. It is separated from the spot signal section, as it will create lots of doubt and lots of disturbance and all that. So we have made two different channels for spot and spot signals and future signals, and also we have separated the DeFi gems signals channel. After that you'll see the coins prediction. Here we will be giving you a different prediction of different coins for long term, that what how can this coin perform in long run until November or like so. So this is a properly just coin prediction section, and here we will be giving you all prediction about the coins, different projects. Signals history, where here will be posting the history of signals, that how our signal performed, how many TPs it hit. And after that, here comes the gains section. Here the member post their gains, and we appreciate them, we see their gains, and we feel so happy that they are making profit with our um, signals. Forex stock signals, here you will get signals of forex stocks. Salman is often giving these signals. And after that, airdrops, here you'll find some airdrops. For airdrops you should have to be careful, some airdrops are fake, some are real. And how to recognize, you should have to know that sometimes some airdrops of ask you for some fee. So if they ask you for fee, do not pay them fee. Go for all those airdrops which are free, and there's nothing hard to get airdrop. It will just take you 2 or 3 minutes. So it's worthy to apply for all the airdrops you are giving here. And if it's a legit one, if it's a real one, you'll get dollars for free, you'll get reward for free. And after that, active signals will give the signal status here that all these signals are active, either active or not. Fine. After that, long-term holding coins will be given in this channel, and with this long term, the signals category just ends. Then it will it comes the open channel. All these channels are open for members: open crypto chat, gossips, appreciation, and USDT buy and sell. The gain section is also open for members, but it is under the signal section because it is a part of this category. So in the crypto chat section, members can ask any question, any type of question they have, any doubt they want to clarify. So they can ask here in the crypto chat section. Fine. In the gossips, member can gossip with each other, and it's a friendly channel where you can gossip with each other and know each other better, know the fellow members. Appreciation, in the appreciation section, you just appreciate the members for their efforts, so we get motivated and we provide you even more better. And in the USDT buy and sell section, you sell and buy the US dollars, and yeah, it's for that. And for the while you're dealing with a member of this group, you should be at least very careful. You should at least inform the admin that I'm dealing with this specific person. Is that person trustable or not? Fine. Trustworthy or not? After that, you'll see news and updates section category, where you will get social media channel. Here you social media, all post about the social crypto on social media like Facebook, Telegram, Twitter will be posted here. And after that, you'll see the news channel. In this, news is about all news about the crypto, fresh and updates about the crypto will be posted here. Updates are about the coin and about the market, and everything will be given here. And upcoming ideas will be given here. Fine. And after that, you'll see the learning tutorial section, learning category. In the learning category, there are different channels. The first one is learning tutorials. Learning tutorials, here you'll find different videos, my videos, and some courses, some books, and all that learning stuff. So you go through them and learn a lot about the crypto, and from basics to intermediate and then advanced level, you learn all about the crypto. So yeah, this channel is only specified to learning. And then technical analysis, this channel is also open for members. Here members can post their technical analysis and we judge them, we correct their mistakes. And in tips, tricks, and strategy section, members or we give tips and tricks and strategies to all of the members that should be adopted while trading in futures and in all of crypto market. We updating them from latest tips and tricks and strategies. And then in last, you'll see the task and research section, where members will be given different task, and members should take that tasks, and so should research on all those tasks, and show their technical analysis and share their technical analysis with the admins, so they get to know that members are in real learning and showing their response to us. And after all, in last, whilst what should be the members role? Members role should be one: whenever we announce the live call session timing, every member should attend that call. Fine. Number two, for appreciation, we recommend like giving emojis. It like appreciates giving good emojis. I mean that you appreciate the person efforts and all that. And after that yeah, and members should, if you do have any problem, members should ask their questions here in the crypto chat section. If you do have any suggestion, you should give us the suggestion here in the suggestion box. Fine. Now let's get back to the other contents. How to use Discord is done. Why to use Discord? Discord is very convenient to use, as you just saw. So many advantages and so many convenience are there to use Discord while for such purposes. So yeah, we prefer using Discord. That's why. And what is the members role is also and have been told there. And what are the advantages of Discord group? Advantages are discussed below. Separate channels. In every category you find separate channels for separate um, purposes. Like for signals you have set separate channels, for technical analysis you have separate channel, for open chats, question queries you have separate channels. So this is very convenient. And the message history, you can, for example, a member joined later, and he wants to know about the previous signals and about the previous holding gems and holding coins for long term. So he and she would be able to see the message history, as in Telegram is also you can see the message histories. But in Discord, you see the message history in every channel. In every separate channel, you are able to see the message history. So for example, if a person wants to know the message history of future signal, you can go to the future signal section channel, and you see all the message history there. If you are searching for holding coins, if you are searching for spot coins, if you are searching for DeFi gems and all that, you can see the message history if you lately join our group. Fine. So this is the second advantage. The third advantage is open and private chats are separate, and this is one of the most convenience of the Discord group. We like, if for example the chat were closed, as in Telegram, no member would be able to ask questions. So they will be like personally texting the admins, one and then other, then other, then other. So admins it's very difficult to personally reply every question of member. And sometime one member ask one question and the same question is asked by the other member. So in the crypto chat section of the Discord group, this is the convenience that you can ask question and that question is clear to all of the other members. And there are private channels which are privatized, where you can't put text and you only see important stuff like future signals and spot signal, all that. After that, live call session with more number of user easily. We can connect to more than 100 and all that users at a single time on live call session on Discord. So these are the advantages of the Discord group. Hope this video is very useful to you while using the Discord group, and you may not feel any difficulty onwards while you're using the Discord group. Well done and best of luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.